Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel on a morning where stocks as a whole are moving lower, but there is a lot of green on the most screen this morning, Val, including Constellation Energy on a big deal with Meta Platforms. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Nathan. That's right. Constellation Energy, this is the biggest nuclear power generator in the U.S., has signed a deal with Meta for data center energy. The shares of Constellation Energy are up near 13% in pre-market. They've signed a 20-year contract with Meta. They're going to be giving them power from an Illinois nuclear plant, and it's the first deal of its kind in the U.S. with a currently operating nuclear plant. It does have parallels, though, to one that Constellation Energy signed with Microsoft last year, but that was about a currently offline nuclear power plant in 3 Mile Island in Pennsylvania. But this is just more evidence of technology companies' voracious appetite for energy to run these data centers and AI, and Constellation Energy, being the largest nuclear power plant company in the U.S., is seeing to benefit. That's Constellation Energy up now 13.5% pre-market.
And this is just the latest data center news that we've gotten just this week, Valerie. We saw the big move with Applied Digital yesterday. How's that stock doing?
Yeah, this one is interesting. Applied Digital, it soared 45% yesterday, but it's on the rise again today, up another 4.5%. One of the most traded stocks by volume so far in the pre-market. This is on a huge AI data center lease agreement with CoreWeave. The data center lease is worth $7 billion, a 15-year data center lease agreement that was signed with CoreWeave, which is a cloud-based IA computing service focused on graphics that IPO'd earlier this year. Remember, it was a wobbly IPO, but the stock has tripled since late March, and it seems like it's causing others to gain as well. That's Applied Digital soaring another 4.3% after a 45% rally yesterday with this deal with CoreWeave.
And we're seeing another double-digit move just in the pre-market for Credo Technology after their earnings.
Yeah, this is Credo Technology. The shares are up 13.7%. It's a high-speed connectivity solutions company, and they came with earnings. They reported a beat in revenue in their earnings release. They continued to grow their business across hyperscaler customers such as Amazon, xAI, and Microsoft for AI services. And the CEO says that he believes the company will continue this trend for the foreseeable future. So a beat for a technology company, Credo Technology. The shares are up 14%.
Now, on the downside this morning, tell us about what's going on with Bumble.
Oh, those shares are in the red, down 5.5% in the pre-market on Tuesday. This comes after a JP Morgan downgrade to underweight from neutral following the share's recent rally, saying that the online dating category remains challenged with the Gen Z product fit issues.
Gen Z. Where are you from? Anyway, Dollar General just reported earnings. How's that stock doing?
Oh, those shares are up 7%. Dollar General coming with a beat with first quarter EPS coming at 1.78. The estimate was for $1.48 per share. They also raised their financial guidance for the full year 2025. So those shares are jumping 7% pre-market after earnings from Dollar General.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.